making yourself less, myself less, not bending low, bending down and coming down to look, to look, to reach out, to acknowledge the needy, the broken, the suffering. I need to come down from my level, from where I am, where I want to be to where I need to be. Jesus humbled himself, becoming a human person. Again humbled himself as a servant, taking upper garment as a Jew, rabbi, bending down, do this, follow this, do likewise. So he became a servant, slave, died as a criminal, to give life, fullness of salvation. Today's feast, Our Lady of Guadalupe, Mother Mary appears to San Diego many times. When she's asked, Mother Mary is asking to build a church, he's going to bishop's denying, not accepting, asking for a sign. He was scared, worried about his own uncle who's dying. He's trying to go in the other way. But Mother Mary appears in the other way. Here is a sign, don't worry about the uncle, think of people, think of others. He's sewing, take the flowers in the overcoat. He's carrying the overcoat, opening in front of the bishop. There's an image of Blessed Mother. He will make you great. Mother Mary will make you great.